Welcome back to my channel. It's only been a few days, but I'm like, I miss vlogging, I miss vlogmas. So anyways, we've been trying to do this one project for literally an entire month, like the entire month of December. So I showed you glimpses of it in one of the previous vlogs for Vlogmas of the hot chocolate. And so basically we're gonna go at it and we're gonna finish it. We're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna do it. But yeah, I went to the gym this morning for the first time in like 4 months. I honestly can't remember when I went last, and feeling really good. Trying to kick off pre-New Year, you know, by actually getting into a schedule and a routine with going to the gym since I pay for a membership. So looking forward to showing you guys a little behind the scenes of our little spec ad. That's the plan. But first, coffee for Clay. I also want to show you guys something I got for Christmas. Is this cute little light that just clips onto your phone. And then guess what? It's a mini ring light, so this is gonna blast you. That is the lowest setting. Ta-da! Yeah, love it. And it's just rechargeable, super handy. The setup. This is the new setup. Ooh. Oh, it looks way better this time around. Yeah.
Ooh, you see how that like settled into the shot, those last few?
Ooh.
Boom. And then it bounces right back in the frame.
Okay, now, since we're doing an overhead shot, what is the goal for the light? Is it in the same place as it was for the first shots, or do you light it differently?
Differently, because our camera's at a different angle. We don't have so much of a background as last time, and like depth away from it.
Where does the light need to point now?
We need a good amount of light on this area. It's our main key focus here. But let's see, I'll crop in though. I haven't even got up there to see what the shot looks like. First, yeah, usually I kind of see what the angle looks like, then I'll fill in the light. We have a couple lights to fill in, but basically trying to use 2 to 3 to even out this area.
Update.
All right, lighting update. We had this grid on for the first shot to control the light a little bit more on our subject, which was the mug and the tub. Took the grid off of here. So if I kind of like lightly put it over, maybe you can see a difference. So basically these are just funnels. So think of water. You're putting water through a funnel into a smaller bottle. This helps you get it. Without this funnel, you try to pour the water, it's more easy to spill. So I'm okay with that for this shot because we're only seeing top down. So ideally we need the most light in this area, inside the mug and around here, and enough on this green fabric so when we green screen it out, it won't be too dark. So that's the main thing when you're doing green screen, you need light. So we have a 3-way lighting setup for the last one. We have the bulb above, but for this one, we don't want to put the bulb above here again because our camera's right here. So if our light is here, this is right in the middle of the light, which will cause a shadow on our main subject. So here, with the lights not being in the area of the camera, we're having no shadows. So without it on, that's how it looks. With our one light, and if I turn off this light, I don't know if you'll be able to see, so it looks a little bit, you know, the separation it gives. But yeah, that's our lighting setup, so 2-way lighting.
All right, I got cinnamon fingers because I was just dusting this with some cinnamon. Oh, look at that. Look how good. Oh my God, I'm gonna drink the shit out of this. Look at this beautiful, beautiful. It's gonna spill. I'm gonna drink this now. Oh my God, I don't even know if my face was in there. This is the best hot chocolate ever, man. All right, y'all, we're making tacos. We're gonna try this new cheese, see how it melts, see how it tastes on our tacos. Time for the reveal. Ooh, look at how well it melted. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you guys. That cheese actually was so good. By itself, I tried a little piece first, and cold, it's like a little bit weird, but obviously like there's not that many good vegan cheese or cheese shreds, I guess I should say, that like unmelted are good. So it was all right, but then it melted. Do you see that? The melt, I couldn't believe how well it melted with the lid on. Oh my god, amazing. And then yeah, once we put it in the tacos, it was so good. It was like creamy. Yeah, it was really good. It tastes a lot different than Daya, but it was good. I would definitely buy it again. I'm a pretty like fan of Daya, but I would definitely buy that again. I'll try it in some more stuff too. Some more meals. Cause yeah, low-key really good. So yeah, that's it for the taco or the cheese taste test and my tacos. Today, it's my turn to do the hot chocolate spec ad. Let's see what we got going on in our living room. We have our scene. Scarf, that cute little thing I thrifted, the board I thrifted, this I thrifted, cinnamon, the cup I thrifted, I forgot, and then a spoon. Ooh. We are finished. Ooh, delicious. All right, y'all. Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna taste test it now. Look at my little mess up. My little fuck up. Oh my god. Delicious. I barely got anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and drink this up.
Final thoughts of living and imported the footage.
All right, it is finished. We are done our little competition of the hot chocolates. Now, it's been a few days. Clay's finished his. You would have already seen mine on shorts if you watch my shorts. And now I get to show you his. Unless you follow him, and then you can also see his. But anyways, here's our videos. Comment down below. Let me know whose you like better, or what parts of each of ours that you liked more than the others, or if you just liked both of ours equally, that's cool too. It was super fun doing both. Clay's is definitely more tedious being green screen, so I did not want to burden myself. No, just kidding. I don't really know how to do green screen, so it was super fun. Highly recommend doing little fun spec ads. That a lot of the time is the way in to be working with brands. So for myself and my vegan and gluten-free-ness, yeah, I want to start making that content creator money, y'all. So I'm gonna be continuing to pump out some spec ads with some of my favorite products that I use, and we'll see where that leads us. Okay, that will be it for the vlog today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next video where I will probably be baking. So stay tuned, see what I have up my sleeve. Bye.